So the Thames is in flood. It's burst the banks. That's my little boat behind me, and if you look at the gangplank you can see that it's angled up at 45 degrees. Normally it's angled down at 45 degrees, but the river must have risen a good metre or so. So my boat is now actually floating above the bank, and I'm lucky because I've got that tree there. That's stopping me from drifting over the footpath, because that's when you can get into trouble. When the river floods, you float up over the footpath and then the river goes down and you end up hooked on the footpath, and that's when you can sink your boat or end up in trouble. But lucky for me, I've got that tree between me and the bank, so that's keeping me just off the bank enough not to get in trouble. Just have to keep an eye on my ropes and stuff. Yeah, I thought I'd show you around my water world for today. Just going to have a walk up the track, see how deep the water gets. Basically, if it goes over my Wellington boots, I'll have to jump in the canoe and get around today, which is always interesting because obviously the river's flowing really strong, so it's hard work. But I'm a bit of an ace, so I'll be right. Yeah, I'm not going to go in there because my socks will get wet. That's probably about a foot deep, so I don't feel like getting wet feet right now. Just have to give a little shout out to my canoe. I've fallen in love with her. Basically, she's like my pickup truck for the river. I do my shopping in her, I get my fuel, I get my water, I take my trash out. I don't know where I'd be without her. Anyway, that's my world today, my water world. Never thought I'd have much in common with Kevin Costner. I would imagine that it's going to be like this for a couple of weeks. It's still creeping up slowly, and there is a little bit more rain to come. And when it does start to recede, it will probably take some time. So yeah, I'm guessing a couple of weeks. But we shall see. Cool. Laters. Oh, I better give you a drone shot. What's a Graham video without an epic drone shot?